Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear learners and honorable guardians, I welcome to all of you to my another online video. This is arranged by your favorite institution, Sidecare School and College. Dear learners, I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and also hope that you are studying at your home. There is good news for you. We imagine that from 13 March your school may be open, so this is very good news for us. So dear learners, today I welcome to you another my video. Today I am going to discuss about standard 5. This is subject is elementary mathematics, and here today I have selected one topic. This is multiplication by using easy process. I repeat this, multiplication by using easy process. Already I have discussed in my another video how to do multiplication, and for that I advised you to memorize multiplication table 2 to 9. I hope that already you have completed this, and also hope that you have practiced this math at your home. Okay, today we are going to discuss about multiplication by using easy process. So before to do this, at first we have to learn different thing. Okay, now dear learners, in our previous class we discussed how to do multiplication by using multiplication table. This is very some critical or some hard here, but here this is the easy process. Look here, this is easy process. So you can say if we follow some rules and regulation, and easily we can do this. Now look here, I have written some question for you, and I will try to do this today. Dear learners, we know there are some round figure, or if we want to say easily, it will be suppose 1 and with this 0, or 1 double 0 1 3 0. This type of this type of numbers we can say round figure, and for this complete this math we have to use this. Suppose there are some numbers is less than round figure, and some is greater than round figure. If we write, you can easily understand that. Suppose if I write 99, so and its next round figure is 100. Okay, so if we find out 99 from 100, we can write here 100 minus 1, and easily we get 99. And another way, if you write suppose 990, and its next round figure is 1000, I mean here 1000. So from 1000 how can we get 990? It will be 1000 minus 10, then we can easily get 990. So when we will go to this, then we have to use this system. Okay, now let's start. And this is very easy. I only request you to please attentive. Okay, now look, first one is 99 multiplied by 15. Okay, in easy process, at first we have to write 99. How? Already we have practiced this. Next, we can write this 100 minus 1. Okay, now bracket, and here is the multiplication sign, and here is 15. Now from here what can we understand that? We can understand that here 100 minus 1 is multiplied by 15, and separately we have to multiply 100 by 15, and also we have to multiply 1 by 15. So how can we write it? Look here, 100 into 15, and here is bracket, and here is minus, now again 1 multiply 15. Okay, so what will be here? Easily we can say that there is no need to say any multiplication table here. If we know, if we multiply anything with 1, that will be again it. If we multiply 15 with 1, it will be 15, and here is double 0, and here is minus, and if you multiply 15 with 1, it will be also 15. So this is very easy. Okay, now we have to subtract here. So what will be? Here is 0. If we take this 10 minus 5, it will be 5, and this is 9 minus 1, it will be 8, and here is 4, and here is 1. So 1485. So easily we can do this. And if we want to do this our previous way, and the answer is also same. Okay, now next one. This is 999 multiplied by 7, and look here. Here also we can write this way: 1000 minus 1. Okay, if you subtract 1 from 1000, then you will get 999. Now multiplied by 7. So same way, 1000 multiplied by 7 minus 1 multiplied by 7. Okay, now easy. If you multiply 7 with 1, it will be 7. Then you put 340 here, minus here 7 into 1, it will be 1, you know. Okay, now 7000 minus 7, what will be? Look here, if we take this 10 minus 7, it will be 3, and both are 9, and here is, it will be 6. Okay, now we'll try next one. Look here, 3, 90 and 20, 90 and 20. And now how can write 90? It will be 100 minus 10. Okay, now multiplied by 20. Now look, we have to multiply 20 with 100, 100 into 20 bracket. Now minus again 10 into 20. Okay, the same way, if you multiply 20 with 1, it will be 20, and now here another 20. So total it will 2000. Okay, minus here 20. If you multiply 20 with 1, it will be 20. Then here another 0. So what will be in total? 0 minus 0. It will be 0. 0, 0. Now here, if it here is 10, it is 8. 10 minus 2, it will be 8, and here is 1. So 1800. Okay. Now look, another one. This is 101 and 45. 101 into 45. We can also do this easy process. Now look here, there are already we have done 3, and that was a less than round figure, and here look 101. Now how can we write this? We can write this 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 multiplied by 45. Okay. Now 100 and 45. 100 multiplied by 45 bracket is plus. Okay, now 1 into 45. Now look here, what will be? If you multiplied 45 with 1, it will be 45, and now put the 0, double 0, and here plus 1 into 45, it will be 45. Okay, now what will be if you add this? 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 0, 4, now 45. So this is 4545. Okay, now another one, we can practice this. Look here, this is 110 into 33. Okay, so how can write this 110? It will be 100 plus 10, and this is multiplied by 33. So what will be 100 into 33 bracket, now plus sign, 10 into 33. So what will be here? If you multiply 33 to 1, it will be 33 and double 0. Now look, plus here if you multiply 33 with 1, it will be 33 and here 1 0. So if we add, what will be 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, and here again 3. Okay, so easily we can do this, and for this region it's called easy process. Okay, dear learners, there are a lot of example for you. You should practice this at your home. I think we should try more. Suppose from your book, this is 11 number. Here look, 1010, and this is multiplied by 600. So what will be? We can write this how? This will be 1000. I mean 1000 plus 10. Okay. Now multiplied by 600. So 1000 into 600 plus 10 into 600. So what will be? If you multiply 6 with 1, it will be 1, and here is 300 and here is 00. Now plus here, if you multiply 6 with 1, it will be 6. Now 0 and 2 0, 340 in total. Okay. Now add this. Okay. Now there is 30, there is 30. It will be. Now we have to add 6 with this. It will be 6, and here is 60. So in total, what will be here? 1, 10, 100, 1000, wujud, lakh. I mean 6 lakh 6,000. Now there is some difference. I practice 15 number. Look here, 1001 multiplied by 999. Now you can easily do this. If you do this from start from, you can here or here. I will do both of them for you. Look here. First one, if you write this 1000 plus 1, and if you take this as is like, now what will be? 1000 into 999 and plus 1 into 999, and what will be? Here it will be. Okay, now what will be? 999. Now add this. Look here, the last 3 digits is 99 and the last 30. So we can easily write this. Okay, now there is, what will be here? 1, 10, 100, 1000, wujud, lakh. 9,90,999. Now I will practice this another way for you. Okay, suppose if we do this another way, now we break this, and what will be? If we can write this same way, if we write this 1000 minus 1, we can write this way. So what will be? Now we have to multiply 1000 minus 1 by 1001. Then what will be? It will be 1001 into 1000. Now minus 1001 into 1. Then what will be? Look here, 1001 and there are 300 and minus 1001. Now we have to subtract this. Look, here is 10. If you take this 10, 10 minus 1, 9. And we know that both these are now 9. Okay. Now here is, look, this also now 0, 10. 10 minus 1, it will be 9. And both these and these are 9. So the answer is same. So if you follow any way, then you will get the same answer. Okay. Now, dear learners, I hope that already you have understand this. Now I am requesting you to please practice it at your home, and I also hope that you have understand this. And next class we will see again, and also hope that already we have met in front of you in the class, and surely we will start our class, and for that we want hope for Allah, hope to Allah, and for then please still then everyone keep well. Goodbye for now. Allah Hafiz.